Hello everyone, today topic is powers and exponents. Now introduction. A into A into A into A. How many times repeated multiplication? 4 times. That called A power 4. Now A is base, 4 is exponent. Exponent or power. 4 is exponent or power. Now another example. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times repeated multiplication? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That called 2 power 5. 2 power 5. Here 2 is base, 5 is exponent or power. Now exponent. Exponent means an exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Now example, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. How many times repeated multiplication? 4 times. That called 6 power 4. Here 6 is base, 4 is exponent or power. Now exponential form. Exponential form, example 125. Now 125, 5 to the 10, carry 2, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25. Now 125 equal 5 into 5 into 5 into, that called 5 power 3. That called 5 power 3. Here 5 is base, 3 is exponent. 5 is base, 3 is exponent. Now base is 5, 3 is the exponent. Now simplify the following. Simplify the following example 3 power 6. How many times? 6 times. Now 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 6 times repeated multiplication. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Now 27 27 is 729. Now 3 power 6 is 729. Do this. Is 3 square equal to 2 power 3? Justify. Now 3 square equal how many times multiplication? 2 times. Now 3 3s are 9. 2 power 3. How many times of multiplication? 3 times. Now 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now 3 square equal 9. 2 cube equal 8. Now 9 not equal 8. Then 3 square not equal 2 power 3. Now answer is 3 square not equal 2 power 3. Write the following numbers in exponential form. Also state the base, exponent and how it is read. Now first one 32, second one 64, third one 256, fourth one 243, fifth one 49. First you find out the exponential form and after you write base, exponent and how it is read. Now do this second one solution. First 32. Now 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 32 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times repeat again? 5 times. That called 2 power 5. Now here base is 2. Base is 2. 5 is exponent. 5 is exponent. How it is read? 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 are called 2 power 5. Now 64. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. Total 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now 64 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times repeat again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 times repeat again. That called 2 power 6. Here base is 2. 6 is exponent. Now base is 2. Exponent is 6. How it is read? 2 raised to the power of 6. 2 raised to the power of 6. Now 256. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, total 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 6s are 12. Now 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 256 equal 2 into 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 2. How many times repeat again? 8 times. That called 2 power 8. Now 256 equal 2 power 8. Here base equal to exponent equal 8. How to read it? 2 raised to the power of 8. Now fourth one 243. Now 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6. Carry 2. Total 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 243 equal 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times repeat again? 5 times. That call 3 power 5. Here base is 3. 5 is exponent. How it is read? 3 raised to the power of 5. Now base equal 3, exponent equal 5. How it is read? 3 raised to the power of 5. Now fifth one 49. 7 7 is 49. 7 1 is 7. That called 7 into 7. 7 square. 49 equals 7 square. Now base is 7. Exponent is 2. How it is read? 7 raised to the power of 2. 7 raised to the power of 2. Write the expanded form of the following. Now first one p power 7. Now how many times repeat again? 7 times. Second one L power 4. How many times repeat again? 4 times. Third one S power 9. How many times repeat again? 9 times. Fourth one D power 6. How many times repeat again? 6 times. Fifth one Z power 5. How many times repeat again? 5 times. First one p power 7 equal p into p into p into p into p into p. 7 times repeat again. L power 4 equal L into L into L into L. 4 times repeat again. S power 9 equal S into 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 S. 9 times repeat again. D power 6 equal D into D into D into D into D into D. 6 times repeat again. Z power 5 equal Z into Z into Z into Z into Z. 5 times repeat again. This is the expanded form. Write the following in exponential form. Exponential form. Now A into A into A into how many times repeat again? L times. That called A power L. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many times repeat again? N times. This is second one. N times. Now called 5 power N. Third one. Q into Q into Q into Q into Q. How many times repeat again? 15 times. That called Q power 15. Now R into R into R. How many times repeat again? B times. That called R power B. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.